purpose of Microsoft Excel is doing calculations. In doing calculations in Excel, we will write formula. So in writing your formula, you can use the formula bar. This is the formula bar. You can type your formula here, or you can type it in the active cell. Okay, the convention of writing our formula is it should always start with equal sign. So this means that we are calculating something. Okay, so there are various ways on how to do calculations in Excel, but you should always start with an equal sign. All right, let's try to do some mathematical computations in Excel. We can do simple calculations like addition, for example. So let's say I want to know the total number of followers of Ed Sheeran and Ariana Grande. We will select the cell that we want to add and then use the operator addition plus sign, and then we will select the other cell that we want to add. Okay, so this is our total. That's how we use the addition formula. Now we will use subtraction. It's just the same. So, but instead of using a plus sign, what we will do is using a minus sign. That's how we do subtraction in Excel. Well, for multiplication, we need the asterisk. So let's say I want to multiply Ed Sheeran's followers by 5, for example. That's how we do multiplication in Excel. And last but not the least, we would like to try to do division using backslash backslash operator. So let's say I want to divide this. So that's how we use division, the backslash by 10, let's say. So that's how we do division. Again, plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and backslash for division. We can do multiple uh, operations in Excel too. So let's say I want to add this to this and add another one and subtract another one, right? You can do that. It's actually limitless, I would say. So just as long as you are following the right um, syntax, then you're good to go. That's how we do calculations in Excel.